Hey, this is Keith at Abstracts and Honeybees. Up here with Samson the Snorty Beagle. Just enjoying these old cedar trees. Listening to the birds tweet. Watching the bees start waking up. They've already started flying. Another beautiful day. Look at that sky. And yes, Samson is still going crazy. And you wonder where he got the Snorty Beagle title. This is what's left of an old tobacco barn. I'll have to do a video on that sometime. But yeah, these old cedar trees are pretty cool. Based on the diameter, 125, 130, 40 years old. This has been an old home place for a long time. Oh well. Hope y'all have a great day.